Hello, I'm Nicole with the staff at Carpal Pain Solutions, and this is the Carpal RX. We'd like you to try the Carpal RX for 60 days, absolutely free. Here are some frequently asked questions and answers about the Carpal RX. How long should I use the Carpal RX? Use the Carpal RX for 15 minutes in the morning and evening for as long as you need in order to make those symptoms go away. This usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks. Will the Carpal RX get rid of my carpal tunnel syndrome, RSI, or tendinitis? Yes. Most patients get relief in 2 to 4 weeks. Remember, you can't cure carpal tunnel syndrome. You can only treat it. If you have carpal tunnel syndrome, there's a chance it can reappear months later. If it does, just retreat with the Carpal RX for complete relief. Will my symptoms return after using the Carpal RX? The answer to that is maybe. Since carpal tunnel syndrome can't be cured, there's a chance your symptoms can come back, especially if you use your hands a lot. The good news is that the Carpal RX will be at your side to get rid of your symptoms if they do reappear. Will the Carpal RX get rid of all my symptoms? Yes, the Carpal RX is proven to get rid of 100% of the symptoms. Will my insurance company reimburse me for my Carpal RX purchase? No, not at this time. What if the Carpal RX doesn't work for me? Don't worry, most people get significant relief from the Carpal RX, and you'll know within 30 days if it's right for you. If not, you have 60 days to return the Carpal RX for a complete refund, including all shipping costs. Are my symptoms too severe for the Carpal RX? Not likely. The Carpal RX resolves moderate to severe symptoms quite effectively, and many patients even cancel their surgery. Does using the Carpal RX hurt? No. Sometimes it takes patients 1 or 2 days to get used to the vigorous massage sensation because it feels unusual, but that quickly goes away. So what do you have to lose by trying the Carpal RX? We like to say that the only thing you have to lose is your symptoms. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Once again, my name is Nicole. Thank you for watching.